Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 Wi-Fi calling drains the battery issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down and open Control Center, and from here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. After that, go back to your home screen and on home screen open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here open battery and device care. Now here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.